is shin. Repeat.
Shin.
Tap.
Sh. I.
Spell.
Sh. I.
And read it back.
Shin.
Very good. Next word. Dash.
Dash. D. A. Sh. D. A. Sh.
Excellent. Next one. Shell.
Shell. Sh. E. L. Sh. E. L.
Number 4. Quit.
Quit. Qu. It. Qu. It.
Great job. Last one. Fix.
Fix. X. X.
Great job. All right, let's do some words. The first word is boost. Repeat.
Boost.
Tap it.
B. Boost. Boost. B. Boost.
Good job. Next one, I'm going to throw this one to you because it has a suffix. Cows.
Cows.
Tap your base word.
Ow.
Ow. Good job. And then add that suffix. Cows. Wonderful. Next one, the word is loophole. Repeat.
Loophole.
Let's pound that out. Loophole. Loop.
Loop. L. Oop. L.
Oop. Hole.
Loop. Hole. Oh. Oh.
Good job. And then last one, afternoon. Repeat the whole word.
Afternoon.
And let's pound it.
Afternoon.
Af.
Af. Af.
Af.
After. T.
Afternoon.
Noon.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wonderful. All right, Miss Amy, we're going to do a sentence. And I'm going to say the sentence, and I want you to repeat it, and then we'll do dots for our number of words. All right, the sentence is, this pot is hot. Repeat.
This pot is hot.
All right, let's say it one more time, and we're going to put dots. This pot is hot. And now you tap it and say the words one more time.
This pot is hot.
Great, right.
This pot is hot.
All right, let's check our capes. So we're going to check, do we have a capital?
Yes.
Wonderful. Let's check that off. All words in the right order. Let's say it back.
This pot is hot.
You got them in the right order. Good job. Punctuation.
Yes.
Wonderful. And then even spaces. I love your finger spaces there. And our last one, spelling. Let's tap through the words.
Is, ought, is, ought.
Great job. All right, let's do a sentence. Did you pay for those cards?
Did you pay for those cards? Did you
ahead and check your capes.
Okay, C is capitalized. I did. A is for all words in the right order. Did you pay for those cards? Punctuation, I have my question mark.
Good job on your question mark.
Even spaces, yes. And spelling, did you A or O's? Cards. Yep.
Good job. All right, ready for some words? The word is spooked.
Spooked. Spooked.
All right, you got all those sounds, but this one is actually a base word with a suffix. So I'm going to throw the word to you this time. The word is spooked. Can you catch the base word?
Spooked.
Good. So what's your suffix in that word?
Ed.
Yeah, cross through spooked, that way you have it, the whole word, and we're going to rewrite that. Tap the base word again.
Spook.
Good.
Spook.
And then add that suffix.
Suffix ed.
Very good. All right, let's do our next one. The word is loophole. Repeat.
Loophole.
Pound it out.
Loophole.
Now I want you to tap.
Oop. Oop.
And then second.
Loophole. Hole. Oh. Oh.
And you absolutely spelled O. One of our ways to spell O in the middle. What's our most common way to spell the O?
O consonant E.
O consonant E. So let's rewrite that with O consonant E. Thanks for crossing it out. Why don't you use the next line?
O. Oop.
And then tap the second.
O with O consonant E.
O consonant E. Very good. Next one. The word is coop. Repeat.
Coop.
Tap it.
Oop. Oop.
All right. And you spelled that with a K. K is one of our ways to spell K. And when do we use K?
With an A-I-E.
Oh, you have it almost. We actually have those flipped. So K goes with I and E.
I and E.
And then what do I use for O?
A C.
C. So C takes everything else. So let's go ahead and cross that out. And let's write coop. Tap it for me once.
Oop.
And then spell it out loud on your fingers before you write it.
C-O-O-P.
Wonderful. Now write C-O. Say it with me. O-O-P.
P.
Good job. All right, let's do a sentence. Our sentence is, did you miss that one?
Did you miss that one?
Go ahead and write.
Did you miss that one?
All right, let's check over this sentence. So going through our capes procedure, do you have a capital?
Yes.
Yes. And then you have all words in the right order.
Did you
miss
miss
that
one?
one? We got it. Punctuation. So that P doesn't stand for period, it stands for punctuation. Did we ask this, say it, or yell it?
Did you miss that one? Oh, it's a question.
That's a question. So what do we need at the end?
A question.
A question mark. Good. So we can check that off now. And then that's E for even spacing. It looks like your spaces are good. And then spelling. So U is a heart word and so is one. And I love that you got the number 1 for that one. But how are we going to spell you? That heart word you is Y-O-U. So we're going to just cross through that one. You got the sounds right. We just missed the spelling.
Ooh.
Y-O-U.
And that's my heart part.
And that's your heart part. Good job remembering that. So did you miss that one? Now, I want you to look over and think about your spelling patterns that you know. Do you see anything that could follow a spelling pattern?
Oh, is this a floss rule?
That is the floss rule. So what would you do to that one?
I should put another S.
You should put another S.
I'll cross
So
it out and do it
I
again.
love that. M-I-S-S. Why are there 2 S's there?
Because it's right after a short
It's
vowel.
right after a short vowel. So what are the 3 letters that we double when it's right after a short vowel?
F-L-S.
And just like in the word floss. Very good, Amy.